Welcome back everyone. Today's tutorial is on cornrow or Dutch braid. First, you section the hair into 3 equal positions at the start of the main section of the hair. You section the hair into 3 equal portions at the start of the main section. Start with a reverse section braid. Like you are braiding backwards, you start with a reverse section braid. With cornrow, each of the outer portion goes under the middle portion, then to the center. Each of the outer portion goes under the middle portion, then to the center. A small portion of the sectioned hair is added to the portion that is about to be moved under the middle and then to the center. A small portion. You use your forefinger to push a small portion of the sectioned hair under the middle and then to the center. Before you move the outer portion to the center, a little piece of the main section is added. The forefinger and the thumb are guiding the portion into position, while your other fingers are used to keep sections separate to make it neat and uniform. As you braid, a pattern develops. The outer portion goes under the middle portion, then to the center. Keep that in mind. The outer portion goes under the middle portion, then to the center. The outer portion goes under the middle portion, then to the center. The outer portion goes under the middle portion, then to the center. Once the hair section is complete and lifted off the head, continue with a reverse basic braid until the end. So thank you all for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.